Welcome to 3 Beer Minimum. Today, we're going to be replacing these overhead lights here with new LED lights. The first thing you're going to do, crack open a beer, pop a top, take a drink. Now, you're going to need to get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, new set of lights, and we're going to get to work. The ones I'm going to put in here, pad style lights, and we're going to see how good they are. So the first thing, get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and let's get to work. First, turn them off. Take a drink. You'll need to determine if you got the squeeze style or the slide off style with the lens. Apparently the lights in this camper have been replaced. This one's a slide off style. The ones in the back are the squeeze style. And these here are the smaller halogen bulbs. And the ones in the back are, I don't know what they're called. They're the regular old like brake light bulbs. But we're gonna go ahead, take these screws out, pull them down, pull the wires through. I got a little surprise for you too. And be careful not to cut them both at the same time while your battery's plugged in. You're gonna blow a fuse. I just did. And trust me, I'd much rather blow a fuse than blow an O-ring. The LED lights you order may have a dedicated positive and negative wire, but some diodes are bi-directional, which kind of to me as an electronics guy doesn't make sense. The diode is normally an electronics device that lets power only flow one way from negative to positive. These here happen to be bi-directional, so I can hook these up either way, but if not, you're going to need to determine which one is positive, which one is negative. Most likely your positive will be your black wire, and your negative will be your white wire or your ground. And you'll need to hook them up properly, otherwise your lights won't work. Before we install this light, we're going to install these. This here is a USB charging port I'm going to put up in the ceiling. And the old lights were the kind that had the power on the back for your fans and stuff. I don't need that. You can get USB fans that are much quieter and even more powerful than the ones that come out of there for 5 volts. And this will give you a whole lot more battery time as well if you're out there running with that electric. But one of the things you're going to need to do is make sure you drill your hole to where this is center to this if you want it to look nice. These lights happen to be a little bit smaller than the old light. So we're going to have to offset the holes, find out where this is going to go behind it, drill a hole for your wires, and go ahead and screw it up. But don't screw up the job. Once you get your wires fished through, and you get your USB thing in its place, it comes with 2 screws. Just go ahead and screw it in. And then we're going to use the wire nuts and wire nut all the other light stuff together, put the light up, and we are done the first one. All right, moment of truth. Light 1,
light 2,
2 lights, and
a beer.
Take a drink because you were done.
But not for inside.